Never, ever do these 3 things if you've just started learning to code. After a year of experience and having made all the crucial mistakes I'm about to tell you how to avoid, I want to prevent you from making these same severe errors and thwarting your aspirations of becoming a professional programmer. First thing you should avoid is focusing on a language. A lot of people think programming is about coding languages. Well, let me tell you, it isn't. It's about problem solving and computational thinking. But what do I mean by that? Well, treat programming languages as a means of solution to a problem. The hard part is figuring out how to solve the problem. The language is just the means of implementing the solution. That doesn't mean you shouldn't learn a language. Of course you should, but you should be learning concepts, not syntax. If you understand the main concepts of programming, you can learn a new language pretty quickly. If you're starting, I'd recommend Python. It's easy and read like English, which moves your focus away from implementation and more towards solving actual problems. Now you know what skills you want to develop. How do you develop them? My recommendation would be learn the fundamentals of a language. Again, just so you can implement solutions, and then decide what you want to do and figure out how you do it as you get there. This way you'll be learning practical skills that apply to things you're actually enjoying. You also get an actual product at the end of it, which keeps motivation high. I recommend starting with small projects to fix small problems that you have. Say you want to sort your files and you learn about handling files, or you want to make a Flappy Bird ripoff and you learn how to make games. It could be anything you're passionate about. Once you have a few small projects under your belt, you can move on to something bigger. The final mistake many beginners make is entering the dreaded tutorial hell. You just keep watching tutorial after tutorial, gaining no knowledge or practical experience, forgetting every word that it's said. If you found yourself in this position, there's an easy fix. Just open a blank coding file and get to work with the method I just told you. Because the only way you're going to get better at programming is programming. If you've enjoyed this video or learned anything, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing.